We are showing the ATM machine program. So first we have to input our PIN, which is 1313. Now there are 5 options. To deposit, I have to press 1. Enter deposit amount. I will deposit 5,000 rupees. Amount deposited. Now I want to continue, so Y. Now I will withdraw, so I will press 2. The withdraw amount I want to withdraw is 1,000 rupees. Amount withdrawn. If we want to continue, so I will press Y. Now I will check my balance. So 3. Now my balance is 54,000. Previously I had 50,000. Now I will continue, so Y. Now I will show you how to change the PIN. So press 4 for changing the PIN. I have to enter the previous PIN first, so I will enter 1313. The new PIN I want is 1111. PIN changed successfully. Now I will continue. Y. So if I want to view the statement or the deposit and withdrawal history, so I will press 5. You can see the statement. I credited 5,000 and debited 1,000. Now I have changed the PIN. So if we run the program again, I have to enter the new PIN. So I will show you. Thank you. Now I will show the running it again. After running it again, I have to enter 1111. But if I enter the previous one, 1313, it will show incorrect PIN. So I will press 1111. So the demonstration is complete. Now I will explain the code. So in the main function, we first took a file that saves the PIN, which is pin file pointer, and the file is pinfile.txt, and the file saves in our folder. The file is saved here. This is pinfile.txt. It saves the PIN, which is shown here. Then the text of the PIN file will be copied to the PIN temp a variable. Then it will match. If it matches, it will say welcome and enter to the ATM. And in the ATM function, there is 4 cases. Case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases. The first case is deposit. So in the deposit, it will say enter the amount to deposit. It will scan and the balance will be added with amount. After that, it will say the date and time on which the amount deposited. After that, the history will be saved in the statement. The file is statement.txt. The file is also here, statement.txt. Now after saving it, it will go to the ATM. If we choose to continue, it will again go to the loop and print the options. The case 2 is withdraw. In the withdraw, it will ask the amount to withdraw. After that, there is a condition to check. The maximum withdrawal amount is 25,000. If it exceeds, it will print a message that you can withdraw maximum rupees 25,000, else it can do it. If the amount you want to withdraw is more than your bank balance, it will also print a message that insufficient balance. Otherwise, the amount will be deducted from your balance. After that, the time and date of the withdrawal will be printed, and the history of the statement will be saved in the statement.txt file. After it will go to the ATM function. The case 3 is balance checking. It will go to the checking balance function. Here it is a short function that will print the balance. After that, if we choose to continue with Y, it will show the menu, and the fourth option is changing the PIN. If we choose 4, it will go to the change PIN function, which is this. In the change PIN function, it will ask for the previous PIN first. This will saved in the variable pre-PIN. If the pre-PIN matches with the temporary that PIN, it will say to enter the new PIN, and the new PIN will be saved in the variable new PIN. After that, it will edit the PIN file .txt, which is this file. This file will be edited. Now, if the file is null, it will show a error message, else the new PIN will be saved in that file. After that, the date and time of changing the PIN will be printed here. If the pre-PIN doesn't matches, like the previous PIN you entered is not the previous PIN, then it will message that incorrect previous PIN. After that, it will go to the ATM function. The fifth case is viewing the statement. Now it will go to the view statement function, and it will print the statement.txt file, which is this file. Now the statement.txt file will be printed. After that, it will also go to the ATM function. Now if we choose the no, then it will go out of the void.atm. It will go to the main function, and it will print thank you. This is the program. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video.